Mastering diverse TOEFL and IELTS environments. Hello, language learners. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into adjusting to different test environments. The TOEFL and IELTS are challenging, but with the right strategies, you can confidently navigate and perform at your best, regardless of the test setting. Let's get started. When we think about test taking, it's easy to forget that the environment plays a significant role in our performance. For the TOEFL and IELTS, you might face a range of environments, from noisy halls, air-conditioned rooms, to more intimate settings. Distractions. A difference in environment means different potential distractions. Recognizing this helps you prepare better. Comfort levels. Your comfort can affect your concentration. Being too cold or too warm can distract you from the questions at hand. 1. Noisy environments. Some test centers can be in busy areas or might not be soundproof. Tip: practice listening sections with some background noise to train your concentration. This doesn't mean blaring music, but maybe a soft radio chatter or a busy cafe ambiance in the background. 2. Temperature variations. Test rooms might be unexpectedly cold or warm. Tip: wear layered clothing. This way, you can adjust based on the room's temperature. 3. Different seating arrangements. You might get a chair and table setup you're not used to. Tip: try to study in different seating arrangements, a dining table, a desk, or even a library setting. You've prepared for the test content, but now it's time to prepare for the environment. 1. Mock tests in varied settings. Don't just practice at home. Try libraries, cafes, or study halls. 2. Time of day. If you're a morning person but your test is in the afternoon, practice at that time. 3. Stay calm and focused. Remember, the key is to stay calm. Deep breaths can help if you start to feel overwhelmed. Focus on the test and try to block out any unexpected distractions. Arrive early. Get a feel for the place. Familiarize yourself with your surroundings. Adjust quickly. If you find the chair uncomfortable, ask for a change before the test starts. Use the restroom, drink some water, and do a quick stretch to ensure maximum comfort. Mindset: stay positive. Everyone is in the same boat. You've prepared, and you've got this. There you have it. Being aware of potential environmental differences and preparing for them can make all the difference on test day. Remember, it's not just about knowing the content but also being adaptable and comfortable wherever you take the test. We hope this video was helpful, and we wish you the best of luck on your TOEFL or IELTS journey. Happy studying!